Hello, today we will present our product Repa. Its name comes from the French word that means food and meal in English. First, I want to introduce our group. I am Deniz and I am with Fatih, Anıl and Berkay. As a product, we promise an application where people can learn new recipes, can automatically add the ingredients required by these recipes to their shopping list, and showing where these ingredients can be bought at the cheapest price. Our customer segment consists of people who want to cook at home and are willing to learn new recipes, of course. We will have a chance to reach more people in big cities where the online shopping platforms are more common. In addition, the feature that separates us from our competitors is what we combine more than one feature and offer their features to our customers, all of their features to our customers at the same time. We can say that this is the three basic values that our product brings to the user. First of all, the user will save a lot of time as he or she will not be distracted between three different applications or making their own shopping list. Knowing that he can get this shopping list for the cheapest price, he will have a peace of mind. He will feel more comfortable and will be motivated to cook at home. Finally, obviously, this procedure will save him economically, for sure. We are planning to print brochures and distribute them to people as marketing materials. In addition, we can send emails to the email addresses we obtain from our partners' email bases and use social media platforms as well. We can also describe ourselves on our website, and we can use other websites for advertising purposes. Our pricing strategy will consist of three models, but two of them is fundamental for now: the free and the plus model, plus or premium. A free model has a recipe number limit, a limited recipe in limited number of recipes. The basic user can comment other recipes, but only the recipe of premium users will be commentable. On the other hand, the premium users will not see any ads while they are using the product. We will suggest personalized recipes and diets to our premium users as well. We communicate this pricing strategy to our clients via our website. In order to predict the metrics, expenses, and revenues, earnings for the next 3 years, we first needed to plot a chart of the number of customers, number of clients for 3 years. According to this estimation, we aim to 50K people in the first year, 200K people at the second year, and 1 million people at the end of 3 years. We listed our possible expense and income items and researched their prices. According to our findings, we have charted our income and expense on a monthly basis for the next 3 years. If we interpret these graphs, the difference between income and expenditure is increasing, which can be clearly seen in the graph on the left. If we examine this in terms of a software as a service metric, we thought that the most appropriate metrics were customer acquisition cost and customer lifetime value, and we reflected our findings on these parameters on the table, and we saw that the CAC-CLV ratio is gradually decreasing. Lastly, I want to talk about mentor review. We have talked about with two people. One of them is an old business developer from Flip, and one of them is an old business developer from Instacart. We took feedbacks about marketing, UI, pricing, and functionality issues, and we are analyzing and we are making progress in these issues. This is all from my side, and thank you for listening to me. My friends will continue on the product demo.
Hello, I will be demonstrating our project Repa and explaining its architecture. So this is the architecture of our project. We have employed Angular, Node.js, and a database based on PostgreSQL. When a customer opens the Repa website, they will be met with this page. Customers will choose a cuisine on this page, depending on their wants, and will have a better understanding of the cultural background of the meals they see and eat every day. At the homepage of our product, users will find themselves between various meal recipes. They can see the comments and the score of the recipes. Thanks to these comments, the reliability of the recipes will increase and the user will feel more comfortable and will be motivated to cook that recipe. On the other hand, with the pictures of the recipes, users can see what they will cook before it has been cooked. In addition, the user can share their own recipes and take feedbacks from the other users on the product. This feature will make the user feel like using a social media platform where all the posts are of meal recipes. Afterwards, the customer will be met with a page that lists the detailed information of the recipe they have chosen. They can decide whether or not they will be able to or want to cook this recipe at home, as they will see the instructions they need to follow to prepare the meal at home, as the instructions will be divided into easy to follow steps and pictures. Upon deciding they want to cook this meal at home, they will see the ingredients required to cook this recipe, as well as the amount of the ingredients that they already have at home. By checking the needed ingredients, they will be able to more easily procure them. This functionality of the website will also provide a way to avoid buying more than necessary, therefore being more economically efficient for the customer, and also buying less than the required amount, leaving the customer with less ingredients than they need. By using our website, the customer will be able to effortlessly and efficiently procure the ingredients and start cooking their meal without needing to put too much thought into the process. Upon indicating the amount of the ingredients they need, they may proceed to the checkout page. Through this page, users will be able to see the food name with its photo, explanation, and the ingredients with their prices. Users will see the ingredients of the food with their quantities, which are chosen on the recipe page, and prices on the different platforms. Thanks to this page, users will be able to distinguish which platform will be cheaper for the chosen recipe. You can see the example platforms, which are Getir, Trendyol, and Yemek Sepeti Banabi. When users pick one of these platforms, they can add the ingredients to the cart in the platform they choose easily. Thank you for listening.